Take a look at this beauty just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ESC. And listen to this, one owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. Right now on the odometer, 7,500. That's right, 7,500 miles is all. Beautiful upgrade color, crimson pearl. That would be an extra charge back in 2000 when you're checking that box for the color. Take a look at the front and grille, fascia, headlights. This car, exterior wise, we'll walk around it, but I think you'll agree with me. It looks like it could have just come off the showroom floor. Check out the still pictures so you're gonna be able to see the undersides. I don't think it's ever been driven in inclement weather or down any sort of gravel road or anything. Look at the underside, seriously. Engine bay, trunk, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. If you're familiar with these cars, you also know the wheels sometimes will start to dechrome. Beautiful shape. All four of them in this car. Look at those in the still pictures. There'll be a close-up of each wheel. That is the correct Eldo wheel. Michelin radials says take a look down this passenger side. Car speaks for itself. No major nicks, dings, scratches. I really haven't found an imperfection. I suppose if you got out your magnifying glass and went around the exterior, you might be able to come up with something, but I have not noticed anything. And like I said, take your time looking through the still pictures. I believe they considered this the oatmeal interior, but of course bucket seats. Center console, and then this is one of those cars that has, you know, floor mats over the floor mats. That gives you an idea what the interior of this car is like. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. I owned one of these for an amount of time, and I wish I would have never gotten rid of it. These cars ride out absolutely amazing. They have a ton of trunk space and pretty darn economical too, even with that V8 underneath the hood, the 4.6 liter. I don't care what people say about that engine, never had an issue. Take care of and maintain it. This car will last a lot of miles yet. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Eldorados, dating back to the beginning years up until the later models, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I guess if you like Cadillacs in general, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We thank all of those that have subscribed. And if you want to help us out and you know somebody that likes Eldorados, maybe he's looking for an incredible later model one, go ahead and share this with them. We appreciate it. Let's take a look at this interior, and again, you can see there's no discoloration on that armrest. Of course, all your modern amenities with the power mirrors, power locks, power windows, memory seating. I believe it would be dual power seats in this one. You can see the leather seating surfaces. Nice shape. Steering wheel controls for fan and temp over here, as well as radio controls on the other side. Let me get in here and we'll start this up. So there's your volume and radio select. Play around with those a second if you'd like to see. Radio obviously working. Here's your pre-set select stations. You can also change, if you watch down below on the electronic climate controls, see the temp change as well as the fan speed. So all those working. And that does not blink in real life. That's due to the phase in the camera. Heated seats, both sides here also. Turn that off a second, it'll freeze me out. All right, there is your exact miles at the moment, 7,500. No service engine soon, lights, check engine soon, anything like that. Dash looks great. Tell this car was stored indoors also. Headliner, great shape. Like I said, this one pretty much speaks for itself, folks. Power antenna working back there. Sounds as it should. Nice and quiet, but these do have some power. I was looking earlier for any sort of pebble chip or rock chip. Look at the finish on that paint. The crimson pearl, absolutely beautiful. Look at that hood liner, how clean that is. Has not been driven in inclement weather. Speaking of which, look at how clean the engine bay is. Like you'd expect for a one-owner car with this kind of miles on it. And beautiful riding and driving car. Jason's going to take it for a spin, take you for a virtual ride, by the way. Otherwise, call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. It's a 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ESC, absolutely gorgeous. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2000 Cadillac Eldorado. Beautiful paint job on this two-door. Believe it or not, a little bit of fogging up on the windshield because I just brought it outside and it is really cold in Minnesota today. As you can see, it's winter, but we do wash our vehicles well, so we can do these driving videos for you. Stereo sounds great in this car. All our amenities are working, including cruise control, a power adjustable seat in multiple direction. Believe it or not, this car has less than 8,000 miles on it. A lot less than 8,000 miles on it. From 2000. If you were looking for a Cadillac, a two-door Cadillac with a beautiful paint job, excellent interior, an automatic transmission right here on the center console, heated seats, this is the one for you. Temperature gauge right in the middle of the gauge. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. The fuel gauge shows full. We have little buttons, almost paddle-like, on the steering wheel for the stereo volume and the temperature and fan controls. Beautiful wood grain in the dash and on the wheel. Brakes nice and smoothly. A quiet ride. Cadillac loaded up as you'd expect with a luxury ride. This, a smaller two-door, so you get a little bit more sporty feel. Corners very well. What a deal. For a car with this little miles on it, check out all the pictures of this Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.